The Blowbat Adventure videos. That's enough of echoing. Let me see. It's a nice park. Look at that green lake. Looks like algae cover. Some birds bitching and complaining about shit. And they could fly out anytime they wanted to. No bills, but yet they still complain. More palm trees, oh palm trees. Yeah, look at all the palm trees. You want me to sing to you? No, I'm not singing to you. In case somebody sees this video for the first time, you can see my other one, how I dedicated a song to a palm tree. Because, you know, why the hell not? Yeah, that bird's like crying for help, or just getting jammed and getting the best sex of its life. Envious. Wonder what that's like.